Hello everyone, we are from Group 2 and we will present about topic 6, which is application of statistics in healthcare. We will talk about lung cancer. Now, I will introduce my group members. First, Noor Inshira binti Harun. Second, Noor Hanis Christina binti Muhammad. Third is Ki Pei Ling. Next is Nurul Safwani binti Abdul Aziz. And also Noor Fariha Afifa binti Zaid. Our table of content in this video will separate to 5, which is problem identification, population of study, samplers and sampling unit of study, list of variables and scale of measurement, and the last one is data collection. First, what is cancer? Cancer is a large group of diseases that can start in almost any organ or tissue of the body when abnormal cells grow uncontrollably, go beyond their usual boundaries to invade adjoining parts of the body and spread to the other organs. The latter process is called metastasis and is a major cause of death from cancer. There are few types of cancers, which is sarcoma, leukemia, lymphoma, melanoma, carcinoma, and multiple myeloma.
Is that cancer harmful for humans? First, it is important to remember that not all cancer causes death. Overall, 15 out of every 100 people diagnosed with cancer live for 10 years or more. Cancer at an early stage does usually kill people. A lot of effort is put into early diagnosis when treatment is likely to work best. How cancer causes death? Death depends on your cancer type and which part on your body are affected. Cancer also often has the ability to spread throughout your body. Cancer is the second leading cause of death in the world, but survival rates are improving for many types of cancer thanks to improvement in. We also gonna talk about how cancer spreads. When cancer spreads, it's called metastasis. In metastasis, cancer cell breaks away from where they first forms, travel through the blood or lymph system, and form new tumors in other parts of the body. Cancer can spread to almost everywhere in the body, but it commonly moves into your bones, liver, or lungs.
There are 4 problem identification based on this issue. The first one is people in Malaysia rarely doing medical checkup. Secondly, do not aware about the risk of having cancer. Thirdly, not practice healthy lifestyle. And the last one is rarely exercise. Definition of data: the set of values that correspond to the sample obtained. There are 2 types of data, which is primary data and secondary data. Primary data is first-hand data from researcher, and secondary data is second-hand data from article or census. We use secondary data. Population: there are 11,256 cases of trachea, bronchus, and lung cancers were registered for the period of 2012 until 2016. 68.3% were among males and 31.7% were among females. The first table is about summary of trachea, bronchus, and lung cancer based on gender and year, and the second table is summary by sex, year, and ethnicity in Malaysia based on year. The first bar graph is about ethnic group for male having trachea, bronchus, and lung cancer by year based on age standardized. The second bar graph is about ethnic group for female having trachea, bronchus, and lung cancer by year based on age standardized. And the pie chart is about comparison of age standardized rate by year, major ethnic group, and sex in Malaysia. Sample based on age in Malaysia. The first line graph showing the comparison of age-specific incidence rate by year in males, and the second line graph showing the comparison of age-specific incidence rate by year in females.
The next part is parameter. Parameter is a numerical value summarizing all the data of an entire population. Parameter used to calculate the percentage of male and female victims suffering from lung cancer in Malaysia by years and using mean and standard deviation. Next, statistic. Statistic is a numerical value summarizing the sample data. Statistics are used to calculate the percentage of lung cancer victims in Malaysia according to age by using mean and standard deviation. The next part is descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics are used to describe the basic features of the data in a study. They provide simple summaries about the sample and the measures. Together with sample graphic analysis, they form the basis of virtually quantitative analysis of data.
Based on the pie chart, in a sample of 48,639 numbers of new cases cancer in Malaysia, 10.6% of the victims were lung cancer.
Next is inferential statistic, is statistic that derive from sample data that allow conclusion to be drawn about the population from which of the sample was drawn. The statistic provide information on a percentage of lung cancer victims in Malaysia out of all reported cases. For the questionnaire, variable and scale measurement, the first question that we prepare is how old are you? Here, we use age as a variable, type of variable is qualitative, and ratio for the scale of measurement. Second, how much does lung cancer affect your life? This question we use for the type of variable is rating scale. Qualitative as variable and scale measurement is ordinal. Then, this question we use yes or no as variable. Type of variable is qualitative and ordinal as the scale of measurement. The last question that we prepare is, when do you know about the lung cancer? We use years as the variable, the type of variable is quantitative, and interval as the scale of measurement.